Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Arkham Crypto account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Arkham Crypto account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Arkham Crypto sign up and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. It will take you to the sign up page of Arkham Crypto. Enter your email address, username, display name, company if you have any, and password for your Arkham's crypto account. Confirm your password by re-entering it and then tap on a box that says I am not a robot. Click on Verify Email. A verification code will be sent to your email address. Check your mail and enter your email verification code, then tap on Complete Sign Up. This is how you can sign up for your Arkham Crypto's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.